got a hook that I've built which issues tokens, but I'm not going to talk about that over here at the moment. All I'm worried about is the bridge, and we're using Bob. Bob has got some of these tokens bar, and we're going to send some value from the Zahao testnet. This is Bob over here on Zahao testnet. So he's currently got 2,068 of those tokens, and we're going to send some across to the XRPL testnet, and this is currently got 1,516. Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Bob. We've got Bob selected. Let's send 150 tokens across. Right. So that hits our hook. Talk about the hook in another stage, but anyhow, that's doing something fancy as well. The Evernote contract now has picked up that a transaction has come in, the whereby Bob has sent back tokens to the issuer. He sent back 150. It's picked it up. It's now saying, okay, I need to reissue him these tokens, but now not on Zahao, on the XRPL side. So yeah, his balance should now go down by 150 tokens over here. So let's just reload his accounts on Zahao testnet, make sure we've gone down by 150 tokens over there. And if we come now back to the XRPL, this should go up by 150, right? 150 tokens. I'm using the source tag as the source tag defined over here was the network it came from, where the transaction came from. So if you look over here, Bob said he wanted to go back to destination tag 0. Mainnet is defined with the network ID of 0. So I use the destination tag as 0. And then when the tokens are issued on the XRPL side, it's going to set the source tag as the Zahao network, right? And this is two-way, so I can do the same thing. Well, I'm not going to do it now. I can do the same thing, trigger a transaction on the XRPL side, and then it'll do the reverse operation, moving the value from the XRPL across to Zahao, right? And then those tags would be different. The source tag would be 0 over here on those transactions. I'm not going to do that now, but it's pretty cool that the bridge is working. Let's just do another transaction. There we go. Picked up the transaction. Just waiting for that to complete on the other side now. There we go. And 1,300. So we should now see another transaction in here. 1,033. Alright. And it came from Zahao. Beautiful. Moved your own tokens.